like here's or, tor, okay? Predator. Predator, okay. Predators. Okay, it says animals that hunt for their food are predators. The animals that they catch and eat are their prey. When Dad goes hunting, is he a predator, prey, or a producer?
Predators.
He's predators. What is, he is a predator. What is the prey when Dad goes hunting?
The prey catch the food.
No, the predators catch the food.
The food will be there. I understand.
You don't understand, so let's use our sheet here. Okay? Oh, I was using them right here. Okay, and they're set up for prey is, example, non-example, predator. A predator is a what? Example, non-example. So let's do predator first, okay? A predator,
Do you have pencil?
do I have a pencil?
Use a pen.
Oh, use a pen.
Use a pen.
Okay, I'm going to use a marker so it shows up. A predator is a, and this is for the subordinate category of the definition.
Is a organism.
Is an organism. It says animals that hunt for their food are predators.
Predators.
So a predator is a predator is a,
living thing.
it doesn't say anything about living things here. It says animals that hunt for their food are predators. What is a predator?
That is how to food that catch a food.
Okay, right here.
Animals that hunt.
Okay, let's just stop right there. Animals that hunt. A predator is a,
Animals that hunt.
okay, but I'm just looking for one word. A predator is a flower, tree, or animal.
Animal.
Okay, so a predator is an animal. The subordinate term. Okay, now, a predator is an animal that does what?
Does hunt food.
Hunt what?
Hunt food.
Hunt for food. Okay, and let's get that one with prey here. Prey is what?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Let's read. The animals they catch and eat are prey.
They the same catch.
Okay, so prey is what?
Animals that hunt.
Okay, okay, one word.
Animal.
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 And a